Hello, my name is Edward from Microtech Technology Company Limited. We are from Shenzhen, China. So I want to introduce one of our open film LCD. This 8-inch and 8-inch and 10.1 and 21.5 LCD display for open film. We can provide the open film solution, and also we can provide you the elevator solution and face recognized LCD solution. You can use now currently we are used for the elevator solution with this open film, and also you can see our face recognition solution. Like this face recognition solution, we can provide you the total technical support for face recognition. Yeah, this okay. Yeah. Yeah, so we can show you the face recognition. We have a small circle face recognition. We have also one of a 8.4 big size face recognition LCD display solution. So if you need an open film LCD and face recognition solution, you can come to us. We can provide you the total technical support and provide you from your idea to the reality. So you can come to check with us our website www.lcd.com. We're looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.